आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा ऑल आय वॉन्ट इज एवरीथिंगचे डिरेक्टर आणि प्रोड्युसर. डिरेक्टर जे जावन आसा शीतल मोरजारिया आणि प्रोड्युसर झांशी लक्ष्मी. नाव टेल मी वन थिंग, आय हॅव सीन दॅट मूवी and you're doing another run tomorrow. Absolutely. That is Sunday. Yes. So tell me about this concept, because I've been, I've seen this movie and I've really been carried away with that thing. Okay. So I just want to know about the concept of the film.
Okay, I'm glad you like the film first of all. And the film is about three girls who, meet for a film appreciation course. And during those 90 days, what happens with each other? What are their problems? What kind of struggles they have? What are their dreams? How they support each other? Basically, that's the storyline. The film deals with a bit of serious issues also, but it's not in the face. So it's a casual kind of treatment that we've given to the film, and then we speak about issues. So that's basically what the film is about. A lot of people would look at it like, the boys idiots, so this is the girls idiots, but I would beg to differ. I don't think that it's like Three Idiots at all. This is a completely different film.
Okay. Tell me one thing, Lakshmi ji, how was it producing especially this kind of a concept movie?
Yes, I should tell you that the production has taught us many new things that we've never seen before. For us, this has been a maiden venture. As a producer, this is my first time, and for Sheetal, it's a debut film. So we've learned a lot on the sets, and it was a bold film for us. It was a bold step for us to take. We thought if we had a different kind of producer, if we went to a different producer asking for support, they wouldn't believe in the cause. This is a film which doesn't have a love angle, which doesn't have songs, which doesn't have a hero, which doesn't have those heroic scenes. So to convince somebody to make such a film would be a difficult task. And me and Sheetal have been working together for a very long time for now. So I thought, let's make this film, because we believe in the issues and we want to get such films out, and I wanted to support the film.
I know how the response was. I'll ask you both of you. I just want to know, from your point of view, how was the response at the first screening at South Asian Film Festival?
Well, I think that such kind of events are actually difficult to, kind of manage and then create, and it takes a lot of effort. It could have been better, to be very honest, but I think one shouldn't complain, and I think the onus lies both on the person who's making this event and the person who's participating. So it's about kind of helping each other and promoting the event.
But let me come to the audience.
That is what I wanted to know, audience reaction. Just tell me, share me one particular reaction which was the USP for last evening show.
I'll tell you the places where Sheetal has written very sensibly. It was really sensible written script. This is what Nandita Das had shared with her. When she has read this script, that's the first opinion she had given. It's a very humble and a sensible script. And I saw people laughing and enjoying every small line of it. So that's the first reaction I got from the audience. And there's this father, must be a father of a teenager, and he comes back to Sheetal and says, I want my daughter to watch this film, so when can I see the film back? That's one wonderful reaction I got from audience.
I have two ladies or two girls with me. The film had three. Where is the third one, if there was any?
There is a third person also.
Can you share?
Yeah, she's actually the co-producer of this film. She could not make it because she had other engagements, but Rekha Papu is the co-producer of this film. So that's the unique part, that it's a film of about three girls made by three women. So,
and many women who partnered. Yes. We also have a line producer who's a woman. We had an editor-in-chief who was a woman. There are many people who have participated who are women. All three actors. Yeah. So all girls venture.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to both of you, and best wishes for your film and tomorrow's film.
Just one thing I want to add quickly, that there's a rerun of this film tomorrow at 12 o'clock. At the ESG Center, and I'm hoping that everybody comes there to support us. Yeah, it's a different kind of film. Come and watch it. Come and support us, Goa.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Pleasure talking to you, both of you. Thanks a lot.
Where could she have gone? My name is Sheila ki Javani. I just don't like conservative people.
I kept telling you we have to be safe.
Hey Trisha, stop. This is the spot. You don't understand, do you? What if it happens? Are you scared?
I don't know. I just need time to think.
That's exactly right. All I want is everything.
ह्या साऊथ एशियन फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक आमच्या वांगडा आसा नंदेश्वर सीवी. आमी तांच्याच कडेन उलय तांची खंयची फिल्म हांगासर साऊथ एशियन फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक स्क्रिनींग चल्ले. नंदेश्वर सीवी जी, वॉट इज अ फिल्म that has been screened in for the South Asian Film Festival?
Yeah, the name of the film is Narasajjana Nursery. It meaning Narsajja's Nursery. It is screening on Sunday, 28th, 1:40 p.m. Narsajjana Nursery is deals with the emotions of old age person who is neglected by his own children, and his struggle to save environment. So he is a retired school teacher. His children are away from his hometown. So he alone, he adopts plants as a children, and he struggles to get their social identity and their existence. So because of that, he struggles and he tries to obtain their identity card, like Aadhaar card, so of the plants, and because of that he struggles and he go with the government, and then finally he got through. After that also his children, when came back to their hometown, they wanted to construct a factory in that land, that used land. So then also he stands against their own son, and finally he sacrifices, like he wrote a will on their plants, and he write to government to look after that. Finally that land, the government also take over that whatever is legal document, and finally that complete land becomes the nursery. You can say that is a park which is placed in the center of the city. Like you can say in Bangalore, that is a Lal Bagh. That Lal Bagh, how it was happened, that can be related to that.
ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿ ಬಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ರೂಪಕ್ಕೇನ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೆಲೆನೇ ಅಲ್ವೇನು?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ.
ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿರೋ ಯುವಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಡೆ ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಲದ ತುದಿಯೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮುದುಕರು ಬೇಡ, ಅಂಚಿಯವರು ಬೇಡ.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾದ್ರೂ ತಿನ್ಲಿ.
ಮುಪ್ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತೋರ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆರೈಕೆನೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬಿಸೋದು, ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೇನು ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಿನ್ಲಿ.
ಅಂತೂ ನನ್ ಜೀವ ಹಾಳಾರಾಯ್ತು.
ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳೇ ಬೆಳ್ದೋನು. ಧರ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮ ನನ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಇವನು ಮಹೇಶ, ಇವಳು ಅರಳಿ, ಇವನು ಆಳ, ಇವನು ಬೇವಿಷ, ಇವಳು ಸಂಪಿಗೆ.
This is a very interesting topic, a very interesting concept. Tell me one thing, how did you get this concept in first place?
Actually, this is based on my own written short story. This was published in Mangala leading magazine, that is in Karnataka. So there also I got very good appreciations. Lot of readers wrote me a letter how it was possible. Really, everybody is appreciated that old man, that Narasajja's struggle and his decision to you see nowadays is very difficult. Even getting identity card for a human being also it's very difficult. But he challenges, he got through. See how it is happened. Somehow he manages to given details to census people. They have written and gone. When they came for, they asked for photo identity, and at that time he says, "My children is not able to walk. Please, you people only come over to my premises and get the photos." Because of finally his request, people, the census people, the other team people, no, they'll come to his place, and they will come to that place. And there also they got surprised. Oh, these plants. For that plants, no, he decorated as if their own children. They are wearing the shirts, pants, all ornaments and all. So then they will scold that old man and they will get out. And then this old person, he will never leave that issue. He will go to, finally he will meet one of the minister. But what minister thinks that, oh, Samo Tata, that old man, he is introduced so many names in the list. So I can make use of that, so that he will tell to his people, somehow get it, click the photo and come back. So those names I will made use of for my voting purpose.
One more thing, was it easy or was it difficult to make a film on a short story which you wrote in a newspaper? Was it easy or was it difficult?
It's of course difficult because it's short story to convert to film. See, so many things which are not there in a short story. So the theme, basic theme will be there. So that to convert to film, it is very challenging actually. Actually, I am also basically from an engineer and a very the environmental lover. So I wanted to present environmental, very interesting feature film. Normally environmental subject or something, people will not watch. So this is like I adopted as if it's a feature category, like as if like human emotions. Actually, in this movie, you will not see actually plants and all. As if you are thinking complete on Indian feature category cinema. But here also, like the revealing that plants as children, that is also one twist in the movie. Everybody, up to half of the movie, people think that their own children are small kids and all. But when revealing that, it is a very surprise. Even after the climax of the movie also, it's very much interesting. Because he dies finally, and then what happens to their plants, whether they will demolish and all, everybody will be curious about that. At that time also, he writes his legal paper. In legal paper, it is written as if he declares the plants are his own children, and that all my property has to goes to all that plants only.
Definitely, I don't want to miss this movie. I will definitely check out in this festival. Thank you very much. It was pleasure talking to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗೈತೆ.
ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಡಿತಾನೋ.
ಈ ಹುಚ್ಚ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಸುರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಮುಚ್ಚಿನ ಬಾಯ್ನ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಣನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ದಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರು. ಇನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾನೂನು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ರೀ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಚೀಟಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ನಡೀರಿ ಆಚೆ.
ಸಾಕ್ ನಿಲ್ಸಿರೋ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ವರ್ಷಾನ್ಗಟ್ಲೆ ಆರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬುದ್ಧಿನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಲೀರಿ.
ಇದು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ವಿಷಯ.
ಒಂದ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಸುಣ್ಣ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ. ನಾನ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ.
ಕಾನೂನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ ನಾವ್ರಿ. ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ ನೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಗಂಟ ರಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗ ಆಡ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗೋಗ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ.
ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಶಿಷ್ಯಂದ್ರಿಗೇನ್ ಕೊರತೆನ ಸರ್ ಈ ಊರ್ನಾಗೆ?
ಹಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಬರ್ರಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಜಗದ ಜಂಜಾಟಗಳಿಗೆ